Hello, beautiful people. I got $8 deal from Safeway. It is exactly cost $8, but with tax is $8.87. It has giant potato, mac and cheese. Look at this mac and cheese. And I choose chicken. You can choose variety actually. It's not only chicken or only this. You can choose Chinese food or you can choose American food. So I choose American food. Let's try the fry, whatever fry. It's kind of soft, but the taste is really good. Let's try the mac and cheese. I'm not a fan of mac and cheese, but very good. Love it. Actually pretty good. Next, let's check see the chicken. Ooh. Oh my god, it smells so good. That is good. Oh my god. That is pretty good. Look like they grilled this. They grilled it. Oh my god. Grilled chicken? Yeah. I love it. So instead of getting mac and cheese, you can get rice. Yummy. In my opinion, Safeway has the best ready food or to-go food or ready-to-eat food, healthy. Because they have everything. They have pork, beef, chicken, fried potato, that was good. The chicken. Best. This one is grilled chicken. They have fried chicken also. So I just got $1 of food for $8. I did not buy drink. Mac and cheese and potato. Not bad. That was good. Oh my god. Okay. Some people say that Safeway price is little high, but I think their price is a little bit reasonable for the food section. The ready food. Thank you for watching. I love you all. I will see you next time with another video. Bye.